Hello everyone. So now I am going to discuss today something about variables we have discussed in the last topic. Now today I am going to discuss something about gathering effects. What are registers? Why we are using registers and why we are using the facts. So basically, if you check, first of all, I am going to discuss something about the register. First of all, what is register? You need to understand what is register. So I will say what is register. So register is nothing. So whatever the task you are running in the playbooks, so each task is producing some output in the backend that has not been shown to us in the front end, but back end they are doing so many changes. So how they are working? So to get that output, so we are using the register. What register will do when a task get completed, it will store the output of that particular task in it, and I can use that register value using the debug modules we are having to get the output of that particular task. Now I will demonstrate you how it is working. So basically what I will do here, I am going to write one small playbook. What playbook? I will write any playbook. I will say Vim. I am saying suppose any playbook. I will say installing or I will say adding sorry, adding underscore users dot yml file. I am installing. What I will do, I will say now I am going to define hosts. I will say all. Before that, I will define. I can start with this also, but I usually prefer to give the name of a playbook so that everyone can get to know like why I'm writing this playbook. Name. I will say I'm getting some network issues. I don't know why. So let me check. I'm getting some network issues. So some issues coming in with my network connectivity. So now it is working fine. Now what I will do, I'm writing one playbook. What I have started, I'm starting with a name. I will say examples for I will say register. Okay. Now what I will do, I will say tasks. Simply I'm just using I will say hyphen name. I will say adding the user. Now I'm saying user module. I will say name. I am saying something Ashish. I am saying uh, comment. I will say testing user. Now I'm saying UID. I will say something 1008. Okay. Now what I am going to use here, I am going to use register. Check where my indentation is. My indentation is just below my module name. It is not coming inside the module. It is just below the module. So I can say user underscore info. I have given any name. Any name you can give. So this will be my register name. So now what I am doing, I am going to call this variable. Now this register is acting as a variable. I am saying debugging the register. Now what I will do, I will say debug module I am using. Inside the debug module, I am using variable, and inside the variable, I am giving and I have used like this way, and I will finish my playbook like by using three dots. Now I will come out. I will check now Ansible hyphen playbook. I will say adding users. I will check syntax first. Now what I will do? Now I will run my playbook. Check here. First thing what it is doing, it is gathering the facts. That I am coming to this also. Now if you check what they have done, they are using the register here. This is my register name, but I have given user underscore info. Now I can use changed true comment testing user create home true failed false group 1008 each and everything they have defined. Now I can particularly use this. I don't want, I suppose I don't want this whole output. I only want from this output I only want what shell they are getting by default. Suppose. So what I will do, I will say I will open my playbook. I will say user info. I will say dot shell. I have given like this way. Now let's check will it work or not. Now check. They're giving me user underscore info dot shell bin bash shell. So instead of getting full output, whatever the output I want, I am getting that only. Now suppose what I want they should print some other message in the using this variable. I can use it anywhere. Now this is one variable I have stored. What variable? These all are the values inside this variable. So what I am saying, it should give me one message when state equals to present. When I will say I will open my playbook. I will say let it be shell only. Now I'm using one more. I will say name. I'm using here suppose printing message. Now what I am doing, I am saying debug module again, and here I am using message. What message? User has been, I am saying edit. Now here I am just using some condition. What condition? When condition. This I am going to discuss later. I will say something when I will say user underscore info, okay, and I will dot state equals to I will say present. Okay, let's check. Now they have given me one error. Why they have given me error? Because I will say something. I'm comparing strings. I might have named it. I'm something using this. I'm getting some quotes wrong here. I can use some other way also. I will say present in. Let's check, will this work like this way? Now check. User has been added. They are giving me. I was using some wrong syntax that time. So now they are printing user has been added when they are getting equals to present. When absent, they will show. Suppose I will run that playbook again. Suppose I am running that playbook again. But here, what I will do, I will do little bit changes here. I won't use shell here. I will say state. Now what I will do, I will run that playbook again. Now let's check what they are giving. Hit present because it is already there. Now what I will do, I'm creating a user. Suppose here I am saying I will say APSCNT absent. Let's check, will this print now or not? Will this print? No, this will not print. So now they are skipping. Why? Because they are not finding that particularly absent variable here. If they find that particularly absent variable here, so they will do. Otherwise, they won't add. So this is something I can use register in my playbook to store the values of particular task I have done. So whatever the task I have done, so for that task, there is some particular standard output. So to take that standard output, what I need to do, I need to use the register to view that particular standard output on my screen. Now I am going to discuss something about facts. I will say facts. What is facts? Basically, Ansible by default will produce the facts generated by my managed host. So what are the facts? These they will take the information. Basically, all the information of my managed host will automatically taken by the control node to do their task. How I can show you that thing? Suppose if I'm using suppose if I what I am doing here, I'm going to my node where I'm just writing one I'm writing one ad hoc command. But ad hoc command I am using the server. Suppose in the dev group I want to run. I am using this hyphen m setup. I run particularly this command. What this setup will do? This setup will generate all the Ansible facts they are generating at the time of play. When they are running the playbook, at the first thing they will do, they will generate these facts, and I can use these facts inside my playbook to do my task. These are the predefined variables of my manage node which I can use in my playbook to do my task. Basically, if you check what I will do, I will run one playbook to show you only that there they are showing gathering facts. I will go little bit up here. So here, if you check what it is showing, they are showing here it is showing something gathering facts. What is gathering facts they are doing? Gathering facts means they are taking the information of that particular managed host and they are I can use that particularly facts to do my task. By default it is on. I can make it off also. They can do. Suppose what I will do here I'll open this playbook. Now what I will do here I will define one more variable. What is that variable? I will say gather underscore facts. I will say false. I don't want to gather the facts. Why? In which case I will not gather the facts. Now check. Task play. They are not gathering any facts. Just check. They are not gathering any facts. Why? Suppose if my production environment consists of thousands of clients. Now, every client they will take some little bit time to assume they are taking some seconds to take the information, gather the information. It will be depending on the connectivity also, like how far my client is, and they will gather the facts. So they will gathering the facts. It will take some time, and after that they will run the playbook. So that particular that time slot is not using. If I'm not using that particular variables inside my playbook, so no need to gather that facts. Why should I gather that fact which is not useful inside my playbook? So now how can I call my variables? Now what I will do, I will show you some examples. Suppose here I'm using one ad hoc command only. Here I'm saying grep host name, host name. So they are giving me particularly host name. I am saying, suppose I am saying something, I will say IPv4. So they will give me the IPv4, Ansible or IPv4, because this IPv4 consists of some more variables. So they are not showing me properly. I will say suppose FQDN. I get something like this way. They are saying your FQDN is something like this way. So now why they didn't give me the IPv4? Let's check. I will run this. What I will do, I will say hyphen a, I will say filter equals to, I will run particularly this thing. Now check. Now check. Because this Ansible default IPv4 is having certain values inside it. So now if you check, this is my register, the common register. What is the name of that register? Is Ansible facts, which by default they are taking. Again I'm getting some connectivity problem. There is so much connectivity problem right today. I don't know what these internet providers are doing nowadays. I'm getting some issues. I don't know why. Now what I am going to use, I am going to use these variables inside my playbook. How I am going to use these variables? Now I will write one playbook, but I will say vim. I will say facts using underscore facts dot yml. Now what I will do, I will start my playbook like this way. I will say hyphen name using playbook using Ansible facts. I will say hosts. I will say all. I will say tasks. I will say hyphen name. I will say I will say getting the facts of the manage nodes. I will say copy module. Suppose I'm using copy module here, and emphasize that I will say content. Now what is my content? I want to take my Ansible facts here. So what I will do, I will say Ansible underscore facts. Why? I will show you here. What I will do, I will switch to my student user. Now what I will do here, I will go there. I will say Ansible dev. I will say hyphen m setup. If you check inside this Ansible facts, what is my first variable inside which this each variable is getting stored? What is my main fact name? My name is Ansible underscore fact. Inside this each and every variable is coming. So inside this I can use any variable. I will say Ansible underscore facts. I will say like this way. I can use dot also, but dot is a previous method, old method, new method is saying you can use like this way. Ansible underscore facts. I will say suppose host name, and I will close the bracket. You have to be very careful with this. Now I am again getting some issues with my network connectivity. Sorry guys, I'm getting some network connectivity, so that is why I'm getting disconnected. So I'm pausing my videos. So now what I am going to do, I am saying again I am using I will say Ansible. I will say underscore x, and inside that I will say I will go there. So what I will do here, I will filter something. I will say uh, hyphen m setup hyphen a. I will say hyphen filter. What I need to filter? Filter is equals to Ansible underscore default underscore what we have filtered previous time. So let's filter it again. Ansible spelling is little bit mistake here. Now check inside Ansible facts. I am having one address. So now take this. How I can take this? I will say Ansible underscore facts. I will say don't need to use Ansible again. It will automatically take default underscore default underscore IPv4, and inside that I'm having one this variable I need to call. So what is that? Inside Ansible facts I'm having one default underscore IPv4. Inside a default underscore IPv4 I'm having something called as address. I want to call particularly that thing. So like this way I can call multiple variables, multiple facts to do my work. So now I'm having so many things I can call here. If you want, like I will say something called as my MAC address also. Check here. My MAC address is also there. MAC address. I will say, sorry guys. I will say Ansible underscore facts. Inside that I will say default underscore IPv4, and inside that I am giving something called as what is my variable name? MAC address. I will particularly copy this and I have pasted it here. Now this way, and I have to close the parentheses and the quotes also. Now let us, now what is my destination? I will say it should be something inside my, I will say temp. Inside temp I will say gather underscore info. Okay, like this way. Now check whether this will work or not, and I will close my this. Now I will say Ansible underscore sorry hyphen playbook. I will say using facts hyphen syntax. I will check first. Some error I am getting. What is the error? Something I am getting here. Line 7 column 52. I'm again getting some connectivity issue. Now I'm just going inside my file. Now I'm in column 9 column 52. Somewhere here I'm getting. Let's check what is my error here. Yes, because what I have done. So will not start it every time. I will not start this every time. I have to start it from the starting and I have to close it then inside. Now let's check. The syntax is proper. Some error they are giving me something. What is the error? Nothing error. Some. Now I will remove this particular syntax and I will run my playbook. Now they have gathered the facts and they have deployed there. I will check from here only using the ad hoc command. I will say all, Ansible all, I will say -m, I will say shell or command module, anything I can use. So I will use something called as -a, I will say cat slash etc, not easy, I have created inside the slash temp. Inside that I have created something with the name of, I forgot the name, with what name I have created. One second, let me take it from here only, gather underscore info. Gather underscore info I have done. Gather underscore info. I will close this. I will remove this hashtag. Now check. Server D IP address. Then I am getting my MAC address. So like this way I can use my variables. Now suppose what I am going to do here. I am going to add one thing here. What I am going to add. I am going to add gather underscore facts. I will say false. I'm saying don't need to gather any facts. So this will work or not? Let's check. They are failing here. Why? Because they are using undefined variables. They will say because this is undefined variable because they are not gathering the facts. I'm getting that variable. If they are gathering that facts, then only I'm getting that variable. If they are, it is simple like as that. If I am having a biscuit, then only I can eat that biscuit. If I don't have any biscuit, I cannot eat that biscuit. Suppose if I don't have a phone, if I don't have a any recharge in my phone, I cannot call anyone till the time I will not recharge my phone, till the time I will not charge my phone. So like this way, if they will not gather that fact, I won't be able to take that facts and use that facts as a variable inside my playbook. So this is something I can turn that off inside my playbook. So suppose what I am doing here, I am just commenting that. Now check will this work or not. Because of idempotency it will work now. It will not, it will work but it will not do anything. Now they are not changing anything. Okay, it is coming. Now what I will do, I will open my global configuration file vim. I will say /etc ansible. This is my global configuration file. I showed you in the previous videos also. Where now there but they are saying gathering equals to implicit. What does this mean? This means gather by default. By default, they are taking it. If you want to turn it off, you can gather underscore facts equals to false. You can use or explicit do not gather by default. Must say gather facts under equals to true. I need to use. Now I'm again getting some network connectivity. So I don't know what happened to my. So now what I am doing, I am going to define this parameter inside my configuration file. I will come out of this configuration file. I will say vim ansible.cfg file. Here I am going to define inside somewhere here, and here I will say explicit. Now let's try ansible hyphen playbook, whatever the playbook name using. Now they will fail because they are not following them. If I have mentioned this particular inside my particularly configuration file, then I have to mention inside my playbook that gather fact because I will say here true. Now check will this work or not. Now this will work. Why? Because configuration file is overridden by my playbook. Playbook is saying I want to gather that particular facts for this particular playbook. So they will gather the fact. By default, every other playbook they will not gather the fact and they will not use it. So this is something about the Ansible facts I am using to use that particular node information for running that particularly playbook. So if I am not using that, I can turn it off also and I can run my playbook. It will save my time. So thank you everyone. My name is Ashish Pal Singh and I have in future I will be posting some more videos about Ansible only. So thank you very much. Hope you like this video. Please share and subscribe.